In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to overclock a Gigabyte motherboard. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to access the overclocking tools for your Gigabyte motherboard and how to change them. Keep in mind that even though I'm gonna be teaching you how to find and use these overclocking tools, I'm not going to go too in-depth about how to overclock properly, and I'm not going to give you specific instructions for a particular CPU, chipset, and so on. I'm going to present this in a very generalistic manner so you get an introduction to overclock, but you will have to do your own research regarding system stability because overclocking carries risks, including voiding your warranty, system instability, and potential hardware damage. So proceed with caution and ensure that you have adequate cooling. The main way to overclock is going to be in the UEFI BIOS. To access it while your computer is rebooting, press the delete key or the F2 key over and over. One of these keys should bring you into the BIOS. Once you are inside, switch from easy mode to advanced mode. So if you boot up on easy mode and you don't see all of these options at the top, switch over to advanced. Once you are in advanced mode, all of the overclocking options will primarily be available under Tweaker. So you will see the main ones like CPU clock control, CPU vCore, and other information regarding to DDR5. Most of these will be set to auto, aka automatic. So if you want to tweak them yourself and overclock your system, you have to change it to manual. Manual allows you to input a custom value. So if you want to overclock your CPU, the things that you are going to be looking for is the CPU clock ratio, aka multiplier. Start by increasing the CPU ratio in small increments. For example, if your CPU has a base clock of 3.5 GHz with a 35x multiplier, try increasing it to 36 or 37 and see if the system is stable. After you change any of these values, it's important to save and exit, stress test your PC, and if you notice that it is unstable, then you go back and you dial it down until you find the sweet spot that is suitable for your equipment. The next thing to look out for is the CPU core voltage, so they label it vCore. Once again, switch it from auto to manual if needed, and then you can input the amount. Increasing the CPU frequency often requires more voltage for stability. If your system is unstable after a frequency increase, you may need to increase the vCore slightly. So if the frequency cannot keep up, increase the voltage that is being fed, and you will be able to monitor them together. You should always change these values essentially in conjunction until you find the sweet spot. For other overclocking like RAM, you will be able to find it here, but usually this is best set to automatic, and as long as you enable XMP or Expo, you will be able to have your RAM overclocked. I hope I was able to help you on how to overclock Gigabyte motherboard. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.